If you are a business owner and you want to make impressive video and you have just one light, I have a solution for you. In this video, I'm actually using one LED light. I'm going to be showing you the output of using just one light to achieve a clear and professional video. Let me show you how. So this is how to set up your lighting when you have just one light. So this is LED 800. As you can see, the light is positioned directly in front of him with the reflection on his face. All the shadows are being casted behind him. So this is the output of the LED 800. So let me show you the LED 600. This is the LED 600. It's actually set up the same way. So let me show you the output. So this is the output of the LED 600. As you can see, the video is very clear, very bright, and there are no shadows at all because all the shadows are being casted behind him. So this is the setup of the ring light. As you can see, it is set up the same way as the LED light. You have to raise the light a little bit above your head to get a good result. So this is the output of the ring light. As you can see, the video is very clear and bright, no shadows at all, because the light was positioned the right way. If you do this, you get a perfect result. So you've seen the output of the different light, the LED 800, LED 600, and the 18 inches ring light. So if you can't afford to buy all the light, because in our videos we actually use several lights, like 4 LED lights, sometimes 3 LED lights. If you cannot afford to get those lights, you can still achieve a clear video with one light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification so you'll be the first to get our videos when they drop. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment section below. We'll see you in our next.